All right, folks, let's dive into the world of drones. Today I'm giving you your first lessons on mastering these incredible flying machines. First up, let's talk about drone names. You've probably heard the term UAV, that's unmanned aerial vehicle. It's a common term, especially in aviation. And then there's the word we all know, drone. Essentially, a drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle that can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously using onboard computers, a remote controller, or even a mobile app. Next, we have RPA and RPS. These stand for Remotely Piloted Aircraft and Remotely Piloted Aircraft System. These terms are often used by international aviation organizations. So, now you know the essential names, let's get into drone classification. Drones can be categorized by size. We have nano, micro, mini, small, medium, and large. Nano drones are tiny, like fit in your palm tiny. Micro drones are a bit bigger, but still pretty small. Mini drones are great for beginners. They're small, but robust enough to handle some wind. Small, medium, and large are more advanced, with the large ones often used for heavy-duty commercial or military applications. Now let's talk about range. Drones can be classified based on how far they can fly from the operator. We have very close range, short range, mid-range, and endurance. Very close range drones are typically used for indoor flying or very short distances. Close range drones can handle a bit more distance. Short range drones are great for hobbyists. Mid-range drones are often used professionally. And endurance drones? Well, they're designed for long missions and can stay in the air for extended periods. Lastly, let's look at drone capabilities. We have consumer drones, which are your everyday drones for fun and personal use. Professional drones, which are used by photographers and videographers. Commercial drones, which are used for things like delivery and agriculture. And military drones, which are used for defense and surveillance. So now you have a solid understanding of drone names and classification. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into how to operate these amazing machines. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech learning. See you next time!